Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to OSEI Vocabulary Channel. आज के इस लेसन में हम आपको सिखाने जा रहे हैं Do's and Don'ts for Ielts writing. Ielts stands for International English Language Testing System. हर साथ लगातार इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए जल्दी से कर दें हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और साथ ही करें बेल आइकन पर क्लिक ताकि हर नई आने वाली वीडियो आप तक सबसे पहले पहुंच सके. So let's start our today's lesson on Do's and Don'ts for Ielts writing. Number 1 is understand the directives. Understand the directives. Don't use contractions. Don't use contractions. Contractions are apostrophe words. Number 2, compose the right structure. Compose the right structure. Don't use abbreviations. Don't use abbreviations. Number 3, adhere to the word limit. Adhere to the word limit. Don't write memorized answers. Don't write memorized answers. Number 4, essay should be formal. Essay should be formal. Don't repeat words. Don't repeat words. Number 5, add examples to support your answer. Add examples to support your answer. Don't copy the question answers as it is. Don't copy the question answer as it is. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई है तो इसे लाइक, कमेंट और शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा. Stay tuned for more interesting videos.